sleeping. As someone that makes money with DoorDash and Uber Eats, this life, a hustle life, some days the road gives and some days the road takes. But the unexpected that comes from it keeps me moving and trusting that abundance daily will happen for me. It reminds me of this affirmation: abundance flows daily because my intentions are set. Even when the day starts unexpectedly, it still ends with the sunset. Breathing in the night and trusting that everything is unfolding as it should.